Hello, I'm Anne-Marie from My Over 50 Fashion Life, and today I am doing a video on Boxer Style. I'm not going to tell you how Boxer Style works because there will be a video link to another video that will tell you how Boxer Style works. Today I am just unboxing the spring box. Now I remember only one thing that's in this box, and the box actually has fixed items in it. I do think I might have ordered an add-on. Now I opened the box here. I've opened it ready, thinking there's another box inside. So I was quite surprised to see actually there's some bits and pieces loose. So I'm sorry about that. So the actual opening itself is not as exciting as it might be, except there is a box. I can see a sneaky little box down there. Anyway, I suspect that my first item is an add-on that I self-selected, paid for separately from the box to say, if you're shipping the box, can you please send me this as well? I would like it. And it was on a list of things that are available that you can add on at a reduced price. I believe I added on these Rachel Zoe Lorac lip glosses. They're called the Diamond Disco Gloss Trio. Now I think in the States you can get this at Sephora Ulta anyway, but in the UK it's not so easy. Well, I don't think you can get them at all. So I know that they are quite well thought of, so I had wanted. So it's a really good opportunity to actually say, yeah, can you please ship these across? So I've got to say I'm excited to try them. I'm not going to open it up. I don't want to get the current environment. I don't want to put gloss on my hands and show you and do the swatching and so on. But excited about that. So I believe that was an add-on. Now, I do know in this box is a very large tote bag that everybody gets who subscribes to the box. And I suspect that that is why the box looks like it's not got a box inside, because it looks to me like the very large, I'll get rid of this. It looks to me like the very large tote has been wrapped around the actual box. So one of the items that comes with the box is actually on the outside of it as part of the wrapping. That's efficient. So this is the exciting part then, isn't it? Opening this lot up, the bundle that's partially wrapped by one of the items. Okay, now then I have used scissors and opened up the plastic bag so we can get this out now. So, plastic bag aside. As I mentioned, there is a lovely bag from Shirley, Chicago. I don't know how to pronounce it. Shirley? Anyway, I've seen pictures of it. It's a lovely tote. It really is a lovely tote. And you're not going to see it because I'm not going to show you. It's here. It's mine. It's mine. Actually, I will. Right, here you go. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So my colours as well. The autumn box had a tote. It had not a tote, but it had a brown bag in it, which I love. I absolutely adore. A small bag. This is lovely. It's beautifully soft actually, and it's two-tone. It's got the faux leather there. It's not real. It's faux, and it's got a faux suede there. So it's two-tone, and isn't that just a beautiful shape as well? So let me tell you what the label says. I can't pronounce it as I've said. Shirley, Tan Arden Tote, and I'll put down below if you were to buy this, these things would be available online from the original suppliers. So it will be a price. So I can find the bag for you online as a separate item, not from Boxer Style. But if you look at my video on how Boxer Style works, you would see that actually this is fantastic value compared to the online prices from the original retailers or suppliers, because the box actually comes out at about, this all comes out to me at about £99. Anyway, you must look at the other video. But that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm really pleased. I think Rachel Zoe's got beautiful style. So then inside here, and this is what I have forgotten about, that everybody gets as well, just as they get the tote. But I've forgotten what is actually in the box, standard this time for the spring. So I knew I had the tote, I knew that was in the box. A lovely pink box too. I like that. That's going to go on my dressing table probably. or in a drawer. Right, so inside the box there is a little booklet that shows Rachel Zoe with the bag, and the back of it's got her with a bag as well there. And it tells you about the items in the box. Do you know what? It does. It tells you about the items in the box. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. I want the excitement. It's like Christmas. I want the excitement. And goodness knows, as I'm recording this at the beginning of middle of March, don't we need a bit of excitement and a bit of mock Christmas in our life? Yeah, so this is my mock Christmas and a bit of excitement. Anyway, the package inside is wrapped in tissue. That's very pretty, nice blush. Not that really matters because it's going to be getting the recycling anyway, that tissue paper. So, what do we have? We have R&Co Waterfall Body Lotion. Cascade into an overflow of shiny, soft, manageable hair with Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion. Oh, it's for hair, so it's for hair, not body. I've got quite a few of these R&Co bits and pieces that have come in the FabFitFun box. So it's not something you can get it in the UK, but it's not readily available in the UK. But I have got quite a few of these from, or not this particular lotion, but I've got other bits and pieces from R&Co in FabFitFun. So I've also got Laszlo, because there generally is a skin cream or skin serum or something as well in the box. Reveal your softest and most hydrated skin with this cult favourite toner. Gently calms, hydrates and refreshes it as it eliminates dullness and even skin. So that is Erno Laszlo's Hydrophil Skin Supplement. In a minute, I'll tell you what Rachel Zoe says about these products, but I didn't want to ruin my own surprise by looking in the catalogue. Then there's a little jewellery pouch of some sort here. It's a little jewellery pouch. Bayou with Love. I think this is a bracelet. If you look at my necklace, this is actually from the spring Rachel Zoe box. I've worn this, in my lookbooks you'll see I've worn this so much. There was a winter, we got a necklace in the winter as well that is a lot more delicate, which I haven't worn so much because I'm waiting for the summer, because I think that will be more, with t-shirts and that kind of thing. But I've enjoyed wearing this with sweaters and, jumpers and things. Yes, now this is a very nice bracelet and it's adjustable. So for small-wristed people like me, it's going to be great, and for bigger-wristed people. So I think that's well thought of as well. I'll enjoy that. That is beautiful again. See, this is why I do really like Boxer Style, because Rachel Zoe's taste in things seems to be so much my taste. It's almost like I say, Rachel Zoe, please be my personal stylist and just do all my shopping for me, because whatever you get, I will love, and that's it. I don't need to bother to go to the shops. Do you think she'd do that? Well, I suppose that's what this box is anyway, but if all I did in my life was have a Stitch Fix and Lucchiero box and a Rachel Zoe Boxer Style, I think I wouldn't need to go shopping whatsoever. It would be fantastic. And that would all be very well if we could go out. But obviously, at the moment, things aren't as easy as the life we're used to, is it? So, oh yes, there is one more thing. There's another box. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 items plus my add-on that I pay for separately. The bag, the necklace, the bag, the bracelet, the 2 creams here, the hair cream and the body face cream, or face lotion, and this all came in the box, and all are within my £99 subscription service for the box. So that's not bad, is it? And as you'll see, I'll be putting prices underneath so you can see what sort of the normal prices of these things would be. So this is sunglasses and it's by Diff Charitable Eyewear. And we did get a choice here. We got a choice of black or leopard print. Now I am obviously, being a warm colouring person, I went for the leopard print. Of course. course. These are gorgeous. Well made. They're very sturdy. Very sturdy. Oh yeah. You know, this is the thing, you see, with this box, you get really good, you don't get a mass of stuff, and admittedly it's more expensive than other box schemes, but you do get quality. So, it's fantastic. That, the bracelet, the bag. Imagine the bracelet on me. Well, actually, even this necklace, you know, from my autumn box. Yeah, I mean, it is boxer style. It's as it says, it is a boxer style. Anyway, right, I better take these off, otherwise it's going to muck up the camera. So, in the magazine, Rachel is saying that, I almost need my normal glasses on to read this. Spring is all about new beginnings, and what better way to start the season than with selection of fresh style staples, from a hydrating toner that will give you the dewy skin of your dreams to a wear everywhere bag that will breathe new life into your wardrobe. I'm beyond excited for you to enjoy every item in my latest edition, and if you like these items, this box I'm sure is still available. You do have to be careful though with Boxer Style. If you get one box just as a one-off, they subscribe you automatically to get the next box as well, so you'd have to unsubscribe. That's something I found out since only from other people. So the transitional tote, styling tips: pair it with a button-up shirt or a midi skirt for the office, or team with your favourite sundress. The slouchy silhouette of the bag is roomy enough to carry everything. I think it's great. Then the bold and basic is how they describe the sunglasses. I never leave home without my sunnies, even on a rainy day. These tortoise and black versions, so I got the tortoise shell, are striking, timeless, and look great on everyone. So that's the sunglasses, and you'll see this choice there. And for every pair of glasses, Diff provides the gift of sight to someone in need, so that's very admirable. Then you've got the subtle statement of the bracelet. Oh no, Laszlo. Emerging from the winter months, my skin craves products that revitalise and hydrate. This easy-to-use toner is a quick addition to my skincare routine that delivers high-impact results. And actually, I did need to. I've almost finished my toner that I got in a Marks & Spencer's box Christmas last year. Yeah, so I need a new toner anyway, so that's good. So that's after cleansing. Swipe gently over your skin with a cotton pad. So day and night, followed with moisturiser. Then the main moisturiser. So obviously the moisturiser for the hair. Who doesn't want a product that makes their hair lustrous and manageable? I apply this lightweight hydrating cream to my damp hair for a smooth finish, or use it to nourish my ends in between blow dries. Apply to the wet hair to leave locks shiny, soft and free of flyaways. So I think it's one of those ones you use after you've washed your hair, conditioned it, towel dried it, and then before you're going to use the hairdryer, and also you can use it on dry hair. So that is all very, very nice. And what I also like about this is it's not a huge book. You know, it's not massive paper production. It's to the point. It tells you about the products, tells you why Rachel likes them, tells you how to use them succinctly, without masses of waffle, and it's not using much paper. There's so many reasons I like this box. There's also discount codes. If you have the box and you wanted to buy more from these companies, they give you a discount code. Anyway, I will put a code down below if you open up Show More, so you can get a discount if you're interested in the box. And as I said, I absolutely adore it, and I'm in the UK, so it does get shipped here. I don't think it goes to Australia, but it may go to Canada, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's a US box, so if you're in the States watching me from there, it's a US subscription box. If you're in the UK, definitely ships to the UK because I get it. Not entirely sure about other countries it ships to, so you'd have to look that up. Anyway, the code I put below is for any country you're in that this ships to, so it's not just for UK. So if you're a US follower and you're interested in, the code below will actually give you a discount as well. So anyway, at the end here, there's going to be a link to how Boxer Style works, although I've alluded to that in the video anyway, and I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please do subscribe. Thank you.